Guys, we are back in the Supercar Street Racing kitchen right now with 3 different products to present to you. We have a huge hurricane coming, just switched over to category 5, but before that gets here, we're gonna do the dumbest thing and clean the garage door with our new products. I went ahead and got a window squeegee, I've got some EasyGlide glass cleaner here, and I've got so today on the channel, we're gonna introduce you to these 3 new products. Get out there, clean that garage door. So let's get busy. We don't have time to sit around here all day. We've got a category 5 hurricane brewing right now. It's gonna get us on probably Wednesday afternoon. Thanks for joining us. Guys, we're over by the Supercar Street Racing sink now. We've got the UNGER EasyGlide in front of us to go ahead and mix, and they do put a nice piece of tape over the top there because you know if you've ordered stuff from Amazon before, liquids, that it will just completely spill out inside of the packaging. So a lot of places have started bagging things up and putting tape on top of the cap. All right, let's get this over here in the sink and get this mixed up. I don't know how much a gallon is. I'm just gonna go ahead and put like half in here. So I'm just gonna put 2 capfuls. This stuff, very, very high concentrated stuff. That's not much. And then I guess if you go ahead and go really fast on the water, it's going to suds up. So let's fill it up slow. I'm gonna go ahead and put hot water in it here. The water's good and hot now. All right, it is not sudsing up hardly at all. Let's go ahead and fill that up to about halfway. I don't know how much a gallon is. This is a 10-liter receptacle here, so
10 liters is about 2.64 gallons.
Okay, so this refrigerator told us that we can fill up this a little less than halfway, or we have to put more concentrate in it. So that is probably enough right there. Now let's get this outside with our brand new squeegee here. This is the squeegee. We're gonna put a link to all this in the description. Let's get out there and see if this thing does any good whatsoever. All right, we're out in front of the Supercar Street Racing garage door now. We're gonna go ahead and close it. It is raining, so we're gonna try to get this done before the rain ends, and you can see how dirty this door is from grass sticking to it. Let's go ahead and try out our new, I just spilled a bunch of it.
These nuts.
Oh, okay. Doesn't work very well. Not sure if I like that. Okay, back out in the garage, we're going to attempt to do this a different way here. This stuff, I don't want it to get everywhere, so I'm going to try to do this with this. And if it doesn't work well and stuff goes everywhere, then I am going to switch to the cloth. Hopefully it just dries. I'm probably just going to wipe down that bottom part. Yeah, this is a bit too messy for the interior because it is leaving just a puddle. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the garage door anyway. Garages get really dusty, so this has to be done. Keep this guy looking good. This is dripping everywhere. This allows me a chance to wipe down everything though. So far, not bad. It's not great for inside because it's so messy. Try not to get it everywhere. All right, guys, we are all done with the garage door. Outside and in took me about 30 minutes total, I think, and it came out pretty good. I used a rag to follow up to get all the moisture out that dripped down when I used the squeegee. It did do a decent job. I see a few here and there, little water spots, but overall, I guess it's a lot easier than using rags. So let's bring it back inside where we can clean up and come to a conclusion about these three products. Okay, we got our garage door all done. We did use the EasyGlide glass concentrate. We used our collapsible bucket there, and we used this squeegee / window cleaner from Amazon. Now let's go over to the Supercar Street Racing editing studio and take a look at all three of these guys online. We are back in the Supercar Street Racing 4K production studio. I'm Brad. Thank you so much for joining us today. And we have three products that we want to show you today that we did use to clean the garage door. The first one is the EasyGlide glass cleaner. Now it has a 4.6 star review, and it only takes a capful or two to clean a large amount of surfaces on your windows. It takes 2 capfuls for 1 gallon, and we did use that out on the Supercar Street Racing glass garage door, and you saw how it came out. It came out pretty good. I made a mistake of not cleaning all the grass off first, and that was a huge problem. But it did come out very nice using the UNGER streak-free EasyGlide glass cleaner. And next on our list here we have this very cool collapsible 10-liter wash bucket. And it did work out very well for using the actual squeegee because it's actually the correct size for the squeegee to fit into. And it's pretty simple. It's just a bucket that will collapse into a flat thing, so it works awesome. It does have a 4.4-star overall review right now, and it is available on Amazon for $13.59 at the moment. And the very last thing we have to show you guys today is this window squeegee cleaning tool. Now, I did look for a long time on Amazon for a professional version that has a wider track, but none of them had great reviews. All of them had some negative things to say about them. So I did go ahead and pick up this one that looks like one you would use for your car. And it did work pretty good. I was able to go ahead and clean the outside and the inside of the garage with this window squeegee cleaning tool, 2-in-1. Windshield cleaning, it just goes on forever. Now this guy is only $10. Today is Prime Day, so today is the day to buy it if you see the video today. But yeah, it's 32% off, so go ahead and pick up a squeegee for yourself as well. And that's going to do it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and helping Supercar Street Racing by buying all of your products through our affiliate links down below in the description. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one. We try to keep the content rolling, but right now we got to get out of here. I got to go to lunch at Cliff's.